To get a pool bonus with FUSD pools, head on over to flamingo.finance, open up your asset actions, and choose pool bonus. This is assuming you've already added liquidity and staked in an FUSD pool. Check out our tutorials on liquidity and staking to get more familiarized with that process. To allocate your borrowed FUSD bonus APR to the pools of your choice, you'll need to input the percentage allocation. For the purpose of this example, we'll allocate 100% of the borrowed FUSD to the FUSDT FUSD pool. This will give us an estimated APR boost of 11%. Once you've made your allocation selection, simply click on the Update Allocation button to finalize the allocation. That's it, you've successfully allocated your borrowed FUSD bonus APR and are now receiving a pool bonus.